Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this simple and easy crochet curls. It may look very difficult and complicated, but actually it's very simple and easy, beginner friendly too. You can use this for various crochet projects. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So to start with, I've crocheted a rough number of chains. Doesn't matter how many chains, it's totally dependent on your project. So after you crochet your desired number of chains, go ahead, crochet 2 more chains and then work 2 double crochet on the third chain from the hook, and on the next chain work 3 double crochets. So on the next one work 2 double crochets, and on the next one work 3 double crochet. So now you would have got an idea. So we are going to work on alternate between 2 double crochets in one chain and 3 double crochets on the next chain. So we are going to go ahead and work like this on working 2 double crochets in one chain and 3 double crochets on the next chain till the end of your chains. So once you do this, you can naturally see that your work is getting curled, and you get your crochet curls. So the length is totally dependent on you and your project. So if you need a longer curls, you may need to crochet more chains, and if you need a tight curls, you may need to add more double crochets in a particular chain. So the number of chains and number of double crochets on particular chain is totally up to you and your project. You can just play around. So for the curls that I've created, the smaller ones are made from 20 chains and the bigger one are made from 40 chains, and working 2 double crochets in one chain and 3 double crochets on the next chain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thank you.